What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm playing with handcuffs on. Help me. Ow. Yo, TTT Pig's here. Oh, it's his fan. Yes. Can I even get back up to Stump? I don't think so. Help me. Huh? Yes, I do! Ow! You're making me hurt.
I have a feeling that you just have a necklace on.
No, I don't. Ow. 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 Ow, I gotta fix my handcuffs. They're falling off.
Why do you have handcuffs on?
Because it's a video that I'm making. I'm making a video. And I'm trying.
Video?
Huh?
And the video?
Oh, hello, girl.
Yeah, you're in it. Oh, God, it hurts.
No. Do this trick. Do it.
Do what? Oh, do that?
Hey, where's Mickey Mouse?
Yeah. Try.
Stop. Goodbye. Goodbye. Move. Yes, I did it! Thank you so much, Turquoise. I can get back up. Oh.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. I'm doing things.
Can I join a code?
Yes, please. It's loud. Yes. What's the code? What's the code? The code is your name. Wait, what's the code? Turquoise? Turquoise.
Hold on. Can I make the code?
Yeah, you can make it.
I'm casual. Oh yeah, and then you.
Wait, what is the code?
I love paintball. Up your butt. That's the code. Hold up, Red. Before you go, I need to tell you the letter T.
She's a bitch. She ready to talk.
Right.
What's the code? Guys, what's
Enter.
the code? What's the code?
Hex. Go ahead and enter. I think this is the right code. No, wait a second. Damn. Why the hell is it? Bro?
C1. L.
Why are y'all all purple?
C.
We're all purple because we need.
What's the C1? What's the
C1.
Hello.
C1.
I'm gonna join a different.
You wanna join?
Wait.
Someone who can wall on like pretty good. Like he can.
Yo, hold up. Maybe I can. Ah! I hit my knees. Ow. Yo, can someone help me? Please, I'm playing with handcuffs on. Can someone help me?
I saw someone who can wall on like this, like one hand like that.
That's easy,
They
bro.
do Lucio. They go like this.
Yo, can y'all help me? I'm playing with handcuffs on.
One hand all the way up, and they go like that.
I like doing this for some reason. I like. I find that real fun.
Damn it.
Yo.
Oh. Y'all are good at wall running. Well, I have handcuffs on, so.
Bro, Purple, how are you doing that, Purple?
Cause there's a wall run.
Cause he's
This
purple.
is a comp lobby.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
This is calm casual.
If I was in casual, I'll probably get reported like 20 times.
No, it's casual, casual, but it's in calm.
No, if I was in the default instead of comp,
Yeah.
I'll probably get reported.
How?
Yeah.
You're a cheater.
Most people.
I'm reporting you for being good at the game.
Yeah, I'm reporting you for being good. I'm
want to see if any of you guys can do this.
I'm gonna go over to the double walls and try to climb them. If I can complete the double walls, I will be. So I've been doing the challenge to complete one skill, not running, because that's too easy. Or funny running, like going up double walls, pinch climbing. Wait, hold up. Can I pinch climb? I don't think I can. No, I can't. Maybe I can do it the corner. Oh, no, I definitely. Maybe I can do like the double hand thing. Or and do my one hand.
Why do you say to come up here? This wasn't that great.
I'm gonna show you something in a minute. I'll show you something.
Yes! One skill complete.
Okay, look.
Oh,
Stay right there.
oh, my wrist is broken, guys.
Stay right there and watch. Stay
Uh,
right there.
I'm gonna need to go to the doctor after this.
I wasn't watching.
Oh, yes.
Oh, fuck.
I saw it.
Alright, we need to complete 3 things.
Yeah.
One was going up double walls.
I just needed
The other is, one of the other ones is getting up to stump, which we have completed going up double walls, so we can probably take that route. And if that doesn't work out,
Hello.
I can
Oh.
vertical.
Anybody teach me how to?
can you guys play with handcuffs?
Top hat.
Can you guys play with handcuffs on? I'm playing with handcuffs on.
Can you teach me how to Lucio run? Can somebody teach me how to Lucio run? I don't know how to.
I'm gonna try to do my route. Okay, that was a waste of time. Oh, my hand is broken.
Oh, I'm gonna practice that glitch again.
My hand is broken. I'm playing with handcuffs. Don't ask
Wait, do
why.
you know how to do this?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe, guys. My hands are in pain.
What happened?
Please like and subscribe.
I'm gonna find another clan to try out for Mr. Purple
Put your hands behind your headset.
Did you do it?
Hey.
Can I put my hands behind my head? I can put them behind my head. I wish I could show you guys what's happening in my. Maybe the music will be motivational. Oh my god.
Try and keep up with me now.
I'm gonna go try to find a code where someone can. Oh, I'm gonna go to a different code. This code is. Everyone is crazy. So. Hello, Gorilla. Gorilla Illa. That cat's playing. Please play music. No! I'm gonna go try this way.
Yeah, I can't push you.
Yo, Freddy Fazbear is playing Gorilla Tag now? Did he get scared of scaring people? Did he get tired?
Go down there.
Freddy Fazbear is now playing War 3. Bro, who is ISO Speed?
Bro, I'm playing with handcuffs. Bro, I'm playing with handcuffs, guys.
And I'm playing with a costume that's a gorilla.
No, actually, come here, bro. I will show you I'm playing with handcuffs. Actually, Blue, come here. Come to Pink. Look at this, Blue. Bro, Blue, I'm coming. Oh, look, Blue, look. Come here, look. Ow. Oh, that actually hurt.
Dang. Unlocks key 292. Then
No,
you're
I'm-
free to go and get.
No, I'm trying to complete 3 challenges. I completed 1, but I swear, if someone starts telling me,
My phone on dark mode. Does it say room to join? Does it say it?
No. No.
Alright. So what does it say right here? Well, I have the pineapple. Do I have it on right now?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
ow.
Wait, want to go something? wants to go something? Me.
I'm cutting my hands up right now, so don't talk to me.
Nothing.
I'm literally cutting my hands.
292.
No!
Hey, go away.
Cutting my freaking hands up right now.
Bro, what do I
Oh.
type in?
Bro, I'm literally cutting my hands right now. Hello.
Why are you cutting your hand?
I have handcuffs on and I keep trying to move. I actually, I have handcuffs on. Don't ask why.
That makes sense. That actually makes sense. Pete.
What?
Pete. Do you have
Yeah?
primal fears?
Dude, I'm not
No.
feeling so good today, so that's
Sorry.
trash. That's why you
I'm
don't
trying to like I'm trying to do this gameplay
for
for my first video. Like,
Well, guess what I'm doing for my video right now? I'm playing with handcuffs on. That's a video idea.
Handcuffs on.
Because it's a video idea. So I did it.
Teach you how to Lucio run.
No! No one can teach you that. Because no one knows how to do.
black top hat.
Visit you like the hardest goal in the game.
That was a test pig.
I can break any part of my body you ask for.
My
Okay?
hand. Shut up. I'm
Hey, leave me alone, bro. Go play with handcuffs on. You know why? Because I'm doing that.
I'm so
No one cares what I'm doing. I'm playing with handcuffs on. So.
Bro doesn't even have long arms. What the hell? Look at myself. Look at I have long arms. Hey! Hey!
Yeah, wait.
J09 goes right from here, you stupid ass.
Too much to do. I'm taking
Yo, you're so stupid. Wait, what?
Yo, wait. What are you doing, bro? What the heck? Yo, wait, dude with the clouds. Oh, never mind, he's not. I thought I had another handcuff player. No.
P-R-I-M-A.
I don't.
You're pointing at me. Come on then, Daisy.
Yes. Primal.
Come on, Daisy. Point at me.
Primal.
Daisy. Point at me.
Primal. With an L.
Hey, at least touch
Yeah.
it.
Daisy,
At least
I'm trying
touch me.
to get to the top of some.
Touch it.
Please work now.
What the
No.
hell is this?
Oh, I just cut my hand again.
Primal VR. There's a rigging application, and there's also the horror game.
The horror
Ow.
game. Primal
what
Fears.
the
Monkey.
f-
The monkey game. Monkey.
Ow.
It's a gorilla type game. Primal Fears horror. It's a horror game.
They went like that.
Primal.
The
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna
bro, it's 10 plus, bro. How come it's 10 plus? This kid wanted me freaked out.
I'm gonna leave.
But is it the one without the space?
Almost.
10 plus.
I think almost.
For a portable expense.
No. No. I almost got there.
Fire extinguisher. Guess what?
Not doing
I don't know why we have this.
Ow, it hurts. It hurts.
Yo, what's up, Daisy?
Everyone for Daisy.
What's up? Yo, Daisy, I'm playing with handcuffs. Can you believe that? I'm playing with handcuffs. I've cut my hand like 5 times now.
He's running. Daisy, you're getting banned.
Can I add you to a call?
That's not good.
Oh my gosh, guys. Guess what, guys?
Can I add you to a call?
Pink Daisy.
Yeah, sure. My name's just Official Gamer. It's just the
Yep.
official
Get him
gamer.
again.
Official gamer?
Yeah. I swear, if Toothless was on 6 hours ago,
I
how lit do you need to be in order for you to get off of VR?
Okay, what's your how do you spell it?
Official Gamer.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm scared.
Spaces.
There's a capital O and a capital G.
Okay, what's your profile?
The one with the tail profile picture and the O with the slash.
Let's go. We got Roomba.
Oh no, oh no. Oh, yeah. Yes!
Is there any spaces?
Woo!
Yeah, become your Roomba.
No.
2
do you want me to
challenges.
add you 'cause there's a lot of
Done.
alt accounts that I have.
Yes!
He plays VR.
Okay.
With a Stitch profile picture.
So guys, this next challenge you guys might not think is so hard, but it's getting to the top of Treehouse.
Guys, wait.
The reason it's this hard
Wait, let me change my color
is
code.
Yeah, no.
I have
Yeah, you
handcuffs on.
gotta change it to black. You gotta change it to black because you're a Roomba. Let's go.
So, this is hard. This is going to be hard. This is
Wait, how do I get what?
The code is
yeah, it's climbing the staircase. God. Oh yes. Yeah, Pro Brancher. Please spam Pro Gorilla Tag Player in the comments. Please. I've been really down lately.
The first person I look at, I tell the police about their war crimes.
because you put on infection.
Oh, maybe. No, maybe, yo. Maybe. No, maybe, no. Maybe. Maybe I can actually do it. Yo, maybe I might make it, bro. I might complete the challenge. And not.
No.
Why not? What does
Bro, I literally, this is why you never join casual with
I might
competitive
beat the challenge, guys.
See you, sucker.
I might beat it.
Oh, damn, competitive song. Oh, damn.
No.
See ya.
Oh no! Guess what he said?
Long.
That he's gonna replace you again.
Oh, maybe I can. Maybe this is a good strategy. Oh, that's a bad strategy.
Leave me alone.
Hello, hey King. Hey King, Blue King guy. Blue King guy. Blue King guy. I have handcuffs on.
Wait, you can't. I don't have any.
I don't know how to. Heck, I'm. Oh, I don't know how. What? Yo, wait, I'm right here, bro. Bro, yes. Wait, wasn't it the challenge to get to the top?
You won't make it. You won't
Yeah.
make it.
You know, I'm gonna. Oh. No, wait, no, the challenge was to climb up all this. Yes! Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. I might alter the challenge.
I lost.
Yes!
Your fault is Wawa.
I did it! Yes! Like and subscribe.
What did you do?
That was painful.